This is Chris.
I'll wait till I get well, another season. Yeah, I know.
Barney.
That guy's real friendly. What did this end up running you, Tim?
She bought it. What
Did
is that?
About $1.50.
Out the door.
Brand new? Oh, that ain't bad.
Well, a little under, yeah. Because I bought other stuff.
Did you get it at Cabela's?
No, Walmart.
Walmart?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. They got 2 cases. My Walmart has 2 cases full. Because they sell it shit separate, but they didn't have the things for it. The mount, the round.
This will take... The rings will fit on this. They clamp right onto that.
Yeah.
Then you just put the scope on it.
Hi.
Goodbye.
You leaving?
All right, we need to go get that middle table for someone else.
Get your
to
pistol
take it.
table.
Yep.
All effective ones. Right. Those are a little better. They don't have a rack in them. All they have is a prism. And since it's a 223 and you don't have much recoil on them, they last a pretty long time. But that's good. He's got one solid 10 hit.
Really?
He's got to have the rear sight all the way up. He's shooting loose off the bench, and he's this here, he's all around in one solid 10 hit. So that's, the more
Hey, there
you
you
shoot
go.
it, get used to it, but.
Yeah.
Let's try that one. I know she can barely put her hand on it. Rep hard.
No. Huh?
The chamber.
Yeah.
Okay.
You only had to hit that charging handle your first time.
Right.
And after that...
This is my first time.
Oh, yeah.
Jesus.
And, hey, let me show you something. Oh, wait. If you ever have a jam on
What about
that,
it?
press that down, pull the pin down, the whole top part will come right off. Yeah. Then you can pull the charging handle out and all that.
Oh, okay.
That way you can get the jam out.
Oh, okay.
And that's how you clean it too. These motherfuckers are straight like this.
Separates.
Yeah, I can't figure it out. What I'm gonna have to do is probably polish the shit out of that.
That's what just needs to...
Mom, your head's in the way.
That's all even. And then the barrel moves. Just the whole thing apart. Cleaned it, threw that other animal away. But the rabbit ears, the ears, up on me. And I called up them and I said,
The reloads are not a problem, but the reloads are
still back.
You want these, right?
Boy, I'm a brass junkie. You guys want to walk out closer?
A while.
Huh?
Oh, a little bit.
You guys gonna walk up now? I am. If you don't mind. No.
looks like about 10. No, that's bigger.
Yeah.
Man, it looks cool.
at that gun show?
I want to put the flashlight over here.
Looks like my dad's having issues with this.
We looked at those two. They had the mag full plastic ones. They were $100 or about $100 for both.
You can find them on eBay for about 80 bucks. This handle, depending on where you buy it from, don't buy the cheap Chinese ones. This cost me $100 for the handle.
Yeah, I don't want to pay a whole lot for the iron sights because I'm going to rely on that.
Get the mag
back on.
Yeah, get the mag pull shit. Like eBay's. I wish I had a short barrel.
Yeah. You told me to try these. They work pretty good.
Resties?
389 millimeter. Shooting in either one. It's cheap too. 389 millimeter.
One.
I'm gonna be a grandma.
Movement.
Yep.
That's what I'm
We're
asking.
gonna be
I mean,
grandparents
you
in
can find
There,
January.
do have compressed powder
And we know
chargers.
it's a boy.
And then you got there's a book that he's got there too for the lead press. It tells you everything.
the recommended.
Powders. But you'll want different powders too. I can show you how to do all that shit. It's not hard. Because I let Brendan taught me into buying a